You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this confusing, very confusing word that many mispronounce. If you want to learn more useful vocabulary in English, stay tuned, subscribe. Two different pronunciations in English. British English is as contumely. Note the tu sound here. Ma-li. A stress on the tu syllable, the second syllable here. Contumely, okay? If you pronounce it this way, you're safe, and this is correct. Now, the American English pronunciation in the US, it's often pronounced as contumely. A tu sound here, not tu anymore. Contumely. You almost skip the m syllable. Contumely. Stress on the first syllable in the US, okay? So, contumely, American English, or contumely, British English. Could you hear the difference? Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments. See you soon. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.